Driving at night demands clear vision, and polishing your headlights is key. Here's how to do it right. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a headlight restoration kit, masking tape, clean microfiber towels, and a water source. Next, prep your car. Park it in a shaded area. Make sure the headlights are cool and use masking tape to protect the paint and trim. Now, clean the headlights. Use soap and water, then dry with a microfiber towel. Start sanding with the coarsest sandpaper from your kit. Lubricate with water and sand until smooth. Rinse often, switch to finer grits, keep the surface wet and rinse frequently. Polish time. Apply the kit's polishing compound with a clean towel and rub in circular motions until shiny. If your kit includes a protective coating, apply it now. Follow the kit's instructions and let it cure. Remove the tape, clean up and inspect, repeat if necessary. Polishing your headlights improves visibility and the look of your vehicle. Regular upkeep helps maintain clarity and optimal performance.